Place to put all your Legos now.
And you got the scissors out.
Thank you.
Hello.
Whoa.
Wow, that's a lot of Legos in there.
I want it. That was
And you can put, and this is a good place to store them so you won't lose them anymore.
Alright. Hey Liam, open this.
Yeah.
That's for you from Santa. Did I open this to me from Santa?
Yes. Cool.
Whoa, it's a wall mount shower mirror. Thank you. Awesome, that's cool.
Santa said, make sure that's what you want before you put it up.
Yeah.
And make sure it's going to work for our shower before you put it up.
Alright.
Those are the ornaments.
This is for me from Mom.
Let's see.
Alright. This is for Mommy from Dad.
For Mommy from Daddy. Okay.
Yeah.
A box!
It's a cardboard box.
I love boxes. Ooh. Daddy, what did
Careful.
Daddy do? What did Daddy do?
Save the paperwork.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Like it?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Will, that's too
Merry Christmas.
much. That's so pretty. Oh, you weren't supposed to do that. That was gorgeous. I did look. Look what Daddy picked out for me. That is
Sparkly.
really pretty. I like that it's all
Yeah.
intricate. That is really, look at that. Daddy did a good job. It's
It's
huge.
huge. It's not huge, but it's alright.
Who is this for?
That's for me.
That is so pretty.
That's for you.
You really should not
I
have
know.
done that.
Merry Christmas. Should I open this?
Is that one to you? Who's it from?
From Santa.
I like you.
This one's for you too.
So you're gonna what? Is that one to you, Liam? Let me see.
Oh, a new shirt! Alright. Thank you.
It's the whole outfit. See?
Perfect. What is that? Whoa! Is that for cars? Look, look, look. It goes in the bath. You can play with cars in the bathtub. Floats. Look, you can pour water down the track. Is that cool? You like it?
New bath toy. That's cool.
Which one is the fastest one?
I don't know.
Daddy, don't you always
Yeah.
You never open it.
Yeah, now you can open that one now. Is there
Here.
anything else back there for Liam?
Mommy, this is for
For
you.
me? From who?
The
From
fire.
Santa. It's heavy.
Open it up.
Yay, scented candles. Oh man, that smells good.
Smells good.
Smell that. That smells delicious.
Alright, let's, before we run out of camera, let's,
Well, okay.
I don't see anything else.
Who is this?
No, that's for Jet.
Yeah,
Or that's for Pops.
that's
Oh yeah, this is for Liam.
Oh, that one's for me?
Yeah, here you go.
Who's it from?
Here. That one's from, let's see the tag. Yeah, it's a tag. It's from Mom and Dad. And here, Daddy, you can open it for me. Just, I'm handing you that so you'll.
Sorry.
I don't want Aiden to.
Whoa!
Right, save this.
Whoa! It's the boots I wanted! Oh, those are nice. Those are nice. I like them a lot. Awesome.
Look, what did you get?
Whoa, Spider-Man! Give me 5.
It's what Andrew has.
Andrew has it.
You have nice.
Shoots and
Look,
scores.
does it
I
have
love
the
these.
hood like you like?
Smell 'em.
Yeah, that's the
Real
one.
boots.
Real boots. Guys,
Now
real
Mr.
boots
Jason won't
there.
make fun of me anymore.
Why was he making fun of you?
Because I don't have real work boots.
Oh.
Mr. Jason will like those. Alright.
This.